You ever looked on the back of your plastic bottle or can bottle and seen that you will get paid 5 to 10 cents? I just did this to return any eligible beverage containers. Well, this one family did, and they took it too far. Way too far, to the tune of almost $8 million, right? That they got from recycling bottles. And now they're facing jail time for it. I know, right? But before we get into the whole video about that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
My name is Devon. Put in work Burke, the wealth builder himself for the Wealthbuilderz.com, and a co-owner of the Wealthbuilderz Solutions LLC. And if you love content like this video and talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel and like this video. So, we have another episode of Funny Money, right? So, this is a funny story. A California family was busted for an alleged interstate scheme in which they scammed $7.6 million by illegally turning in tons of recyclable bottles and cans, according to prosecutors. Maria Scenes of Riverside County and 7 relatives allegedly hauled heaps of the glass and aluminum loot from Arizona to the Golden State of California, where they could get big bucks by exploiting California law, according to a felony criminal complaint filed July 19th. They're accused of cashing in on a program that offers 5 to 10 cents per beverage container return by bringing back 178 tons of recycling over an 8-month period beginning last year, according to the complaint. Now, what the problem is, only empties from within California are eligible for money upon return, and the family faces charges including fraud, grand theft, and conspiracy. California's recycling program is funded by consumers and helps protect our environment and our communities. End of quote. California Attorney General Rob Bonta said in a statement, "Those who try to undermine its integrity through criminal operations will be held accountable." Right? That's what the Attorney General said. So, this is interesting. This is one of the most inventive scams that I've ever heard of, that I've come across recently, right? Pretty sure there's more, but this is very simple, very concise, right? You just go grab the recycling from somewhere close by, close enough, and just smoosh it along to the next state that gives you money for it, right? I don't condone it, but I understand. Money is funny, and we all trying to make it out here. So it is what it is, right? It is what it is. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of Funny Money. Like, this is one of the weird ones we've come across. So if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and be lookout for every Friday we're gonna drop the funny money stories. Also check out the Wealthbuilderzsolutions.com and get access to all tools for your business needs. The link is in the description. Also, the Wealthbuilderz.com. That is my blog website where you can check out all the, news stories and things of that nature. We have the newsletter. We have a lot of different things that we got going on with the Wealthbuilderz. We are in a lot of different things and ways to make money out here. So check out the website. Check out the links in the description. Until next time, Wealthbuilderz, it's the man, the Wealthbuilder himself, signing off for how to make $7.6 million recycling. Do remember, Wealthbuilderz? Make more, save more, build more. Peace.